I'm making an omelet with ground chicken and some more veggies. So continue watching. I'm just adding my ground chicken. This is ground chicken from leftover. So this is like my lunch that I'm gonna have. I'm just adding a little more. I just added a little more and I kind of just reheated it up in the microwave. I think that's gonna be enough. Now I'm going to throw in some tomatoes that are left over. Some tomatoes and some onions also left over. Or just, cut up. Now I'm gonna add in some spinach. Some more spinach. Everything but the seasoned bagel. Egg whites, 1 egg. And then we got the ground chicken, tomatoes, spinach. And that's that. You guys, most likely I'm not gonna be able to successfully flip it over, but let's see. Either way, flipped over, not so good or not, I'm still gonna eat. Okay, you guys, like I predicted, I was not successful at turning my egg, my omelet. I think I just had too much, but this is gonna be my lunch. And comment down below if you've tried something like this before. And check out my other cooking videos, okay, you guys? I can't wait to eat this. I'm so hungry. And no cheese, Tori. No cheese. Now I'm gonna put some Greek yogurt and some sriracha sauce. Okay, you guys, so my omelet did not come out Pinterest, perfect, but I'm still gonna eat it. That's right. So I added a little fruit, and once again, this is my omelet for my lunch, breakfast, whatever, but it's lunchtime for me. So I added the leftover ground chicken, 1 egg, some egg whites, and some fruit, spinach, tomatoes, and onions, and some Greek yogurt and sriracha, and I think it's gonna be great, and I'm sure it's gonna keep me full because it's full of protein. You guys, thank you for watching. Check out my other cooking videos, and see you later. Bye.